You don't recover from a drawdown by making money. You recover by becoming the trader who deserves to make it again. Have you ever watched your account melt like a candle, drop after drop, while you whisper to yourself, just one more trade, I can fix this? That isn't trading. That is desperation disguised as discipline. And that is exactly how 95% of traders silently destroy their accounts. Not because the market was cruel, but because their mindset collapsed before their balance did. This is the story of every trader's silent battle, the drawdown. It's a test that doesn't measure your strategy, it measures your emotional intelligence. Because in the world of Forex, crypto, and futures, your biggest enemy isn't the chart, it's the mirror. When the red numbers flash, control is the first thing to go. It starts small, a loss, then another. You begin to justify. You move your stop loss just a little lower. You increase your leverage just this once. You stop following a plan and start following pain. You aren't chasing profits anymore. You are chasing relief. And when the margin call finally hits, there is only silence. But here's the irony. The market wasn't punishing you. It was teaching you. A drawdown is not a failure. It is feedback. It reveals exactly how much control you never really had. So how do we fix it? We don't look for a new strategy. We rebuild the pilot. Here are the steps to recover from a drawdown. Step 1. Stop trading immediately. Halt the bleeding. When emotions take the wheel, logic goes blind. Whether you're a scalper or a swing trader, you cannot heal what you refuse to acknowledge. Stopping isn't weakness, it is wisdom. Clarity only comes when the chaos ends. Step 2. Review, don't react. Look at your last 10 trades. Ask yourself, did I follow my plan or did I follow my ego? Newbie traders blame the market. Millionaire traders blame their process. Turn your pain into data. That data is your map out of the hole. Step 3. Rebuild in silence. You do not rebuild confidence by risking real money. You rebuild it in simulation. Use a demo account. Use microlots. Prove to yourself that you can execute a plan without your heart racing. Confidence comes from consistency, not luck. Step 4. Tighten the shield. When you come back, your risk must be boring. 1% risk per trade, maybe less. Why? Because high risk triggers cortisol, and cortisol kills logic. You need to trade so small that the loss doesn't make you feel anything. Step 5. Re-enter and reframe. Start small, one trade at a time. If your palms are sweating before you click buy, you're betting too big. You aren't in a boxing match, you're in a chess game against your own impulses. Every drawdown is asking you a question. Are you reacting to pain or responding with process? Recovery doesn't begin when you make your money back. It begins when you stop needing to. When you stop trying to force the market to pay you and start focusing on executing your edge, the money returns naturally. For the next 2 weeks, this is your assignment. Trade microlots, journal every emotion, and track your behavior, not your balance. You don't fix a mind problem with a chart pattern. If you're tired of this cycle, fear, loss, denial, revenge, then you need to go deeper. We don't chase trades, we build discipline. Subscribe if you're ready to master the machine between your ears.